Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to unprivate your TikTok account. Why would you want to know how to unprivate your TikTok account? Well, maybe you just want to show your posts, pictures and videos to everybody, right? So today I will show you how to unprivate your TikTok account easily. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there. So the very first thing we have to do, of course, we have to open the TikTok mobile application here, and on the bottom right side corner just click on the profile icon here, and you have to go to your top right side corner where you can see the three horizontal lines. Just click on that, and here setting and privacy. Now here the second option you will find that is called privacy, and here you can see if you want to unprivate, it is already unprivate. So for example, your account will be in personal, so basically I will just switch to personal just to show you how to unprivate your account, right? And here you have to click again, and after that it is turned off. So when this toggle is turned off, your account is a private account. So there you go guys. If you want to know how to unprivate your TikTok account, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to unprivate your TikTok account, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.